Sambonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, there's some people who are busy like Aibo Umatele. She has a house SC Park, she has a house Mzumbe, and on top of that, she wants a third house. Kushuguchi uzotengelwa naye indlu because other people are getting boughten or other people are getting houses. And all I'm going to say is that I understand, but yes, if I was in that situation, that man who I'd be married to would have to pay, in a sense, for what he's putting me through. But what I noticed is that you guys, on one of next week's episodes, we see Umatele having a conversation with Umusa pertaining the house that is going to be bought. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, she's mentioning something about she doesn't like that house or something like that. But that just made me ask myself, what makes it okay for Umatele to say yena, or to have a conversation with yena ayifuni leandlu, or she's not satisfied with the standard of the house, but yet with Umangwabe has to settle, in a sense, for a house just because she's getting given, or she's given limited time. One thing I know for sure, you guys, Musa is willing to pause time for Umatele. So if Umatele says which she doesn't want that house, best believe Umusa is going to try and zama other things to make sure Umatele gets what she wants. She won't settle shame. I don't see it happening. But there Mangwabe literally said, guys, she was given 2 days. How do you look for a house in 2 days? She was literally given 2 days to look for a house, and the house that she got, she's not satisfied with it, but she's like, anyway, Sizotini, I hope the children will be satisfied with it. Yeah, guys, the double standards that are going on here, because it looks like Umangwabe is just going to have to settle for whatever's getting given to her. But best believe Umatele, I don't think she's going to settle. But anyway, I don't have a problem, and I don't see a problem with Umatele getting a third house. Listen, she made the sacrifice for this man to be able to take other women. So listen, if it's a new car, even if Leah, she won't be staying in it. She has kids. She can rent it out. She can do whatever. I don't see it, honestly, as her being selfish. Why should, when Ungayala, while this man is busy, he has money to enlobola a new wife and do all of those things. I mean, you're totally ashamed. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.